Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share an Instacart list to another account. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you use Instacart and you want to go ahead and share your list to family members or friends. How do you actually go ahead and share it to another account? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Instacart app, then click on your profile icon in the upper right hand corner. From here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and click on Save Lists. So here we have a grocery list that I created with Sam's Club, so click onto that list. Then go ahead and click on the share icon next to the three dots on the upper right hand corner. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and message this list to someone, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and share an Instacart list to another account. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.